Pass carrier, been thank you very much. We have to start assessment with you guys to begin the set. Over, final foot down. White Trojan, on the left. Biplane after one. Trojan over, final lap report down. We're correction the yellow circle. RB at 368, what that? Yellow correction, the biplane just passed the pink circle. As soon as you can, turn off left into the, actually left the hard surface if you can make it. RB on the right, red square. Red square, thanks. RB on the right and roll out to the end. Copy. 6-1 to the command. Nancy, 36 west, yellow dot, go to land, thanks. Yellow dot. I'll turn off the runway onto the hard surface. About 5 minutes, thanks, welcome. Everybody, land skinny runway 36 right, you'll be rolling out to the end.
We'll look at the picture.
Tail dragger, left turn on a hard surface, follow flagman, welcome, thanks. Tail dragger, just past the pink circle, I need you left off into the grass. I've got another biplane coming here behind. Red and white biplane, left on a hard surface, and fall flag. Fly-wing tail dragger, 36 left, yellow dot, clear land. Close in left base for 36 left, piloting clear land, 36 left. Good rock, 36 right, red square, clear to land, high wing following the tail dragger. 36 right, red square, clear to land. 36 right, quarter-mile right base, 36 right. Right, approach. Definitely left base, your number 2 following traffic heading to your left. Alright, aircraft calling over Warburg for the initial. Give me a 2-mile initial, 2,300 for 36 left. Report initial. Report initial, 2 miles, 36 left. Cessna short, final white, white Cessna over the purple dot. Keep it airborne down to the yellow dot for me. Highway short final all the way down to the yellow dot for me. You're coming up on the runway now, all the way down to the yellow dot. The Cessna about a half-mile final. I want you on the purple dot, please. Everybody land at 36 right. We're all the way down to the end once you're on the ground. Wing red tail left base, 36 left. Yellow dot, clear land. Left turn out the runway as soon as possible. My aircraft short final 36 left. Keep it airborne down to the yellow dot for me. You're on the yellow dot now. That last transmission, was that my World War I guys in tow? Yes, sir. Alright, stand by, guys. Just hold short of that 36 right for me. Everybody landing 36 left. As soon as you got it under control, I need you left into the grass or hard surface, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Trojan reporting 2 miles. Hyper low wing turn is final right now. I want you down on the purple dot, 36 left, clear land, purple dot. By wing short final, take it down to the yellow dot. Start your descent, you're a little high. Everybody rolling out on 36 left in the grass or the hard surface, whatever you're comfortable with grass and jump runway as quick as you can. Right Trojan reporting 2 miles. Was that my initial call on 2 miles? Affirmative. White Trojan. Alright, White Trojan, give me an approach in right brake. Approach in right brake. Trojan. Highway tail dragger over the highway rocket one. Good rock, runway 36 left. Dead actually. to bring it down into the yellow dot. Came off there for the highway. Good job. Welcome to the
Oh, that's all the World War I planes. That's all the World War I planes over there.
Surgeon runway 36 right for the land road square. 36 left here, just right field.
A lot of people doing that. Everybody's gonna be 3-6 left though now.
Take 4.6 up to top 3. Did you get it on the ground, just high speed down at Stan Cessna? Can you get down from there? Hey. Cessna over the numbers, can you get down from there? Hey, firm. Okay, so go ahead and descend. I'm going to have that canard high speed down the runway. Canard, high speed down the runway, high speed down the runway. So don't be touching down behind you. You'll make a left turn out to the pink dot.
Which dot for the Cub?
Great job. Touch it down. You can make a left turn at the blue dot, exit into the grass. Thanks, guys.
Which dot for the Cub?
Cub, where you at?
Again.
Cub, I'm looking for you. Where you at? Come on, short bound. Stay down that circle. Coming in behind you. Go all the way down now to the blue dot. We'll make a left turn. Okay, high wing short bound. You're going to go down. Yellow dot, clear to land. Good on, outstanding job, thank you, sir. Make a left turn there for the EAA segment, well, with Oshkosh. Cessna, outstanding job, follow that canard ahead and follow the EAA segment. You're on outstanding job, just slide all the way down, you're going to go down to the pink dot, then you pedal in. Slowing on the left base, go ahead, start your descent, the traffic to follow there is the Cessna, head to your left. I want the about a half mile final there, just continue on down to the yellow dot, to the lane yellow dot. Go back to the Cherokee. Cherokee and just continue, yeah, can you follow that Cessna ahead there? Okay, just land on the purple dot for the Cherokee. Purple dot. Take forward, seaplane base inbound.
The big yes.
Right there on the right base, full like 365.
It's like a goose.
So what the Cessna short final, just power, just bring it up there. I've got the traffic landing there over there, providing us to fly it down to the pink dot now, down to the pink dot. Okay, and the highway now, you can just start the descent now, clear land on the purple dot. Low wing over the runway, do not land, flight down the runway, maintain your altitude, add power, low wing, don't land, add power. I need you all the way down past the yellow dot, low wing, don't land. High wing, just go ahead and if you would, midfield, you're going to have to make a right turn, go around, and we'll put you back in the right channel. Yeah, there, low wing, that's short final now, just continue down the runway, clear land on the yellow dot. that's there that says just turning on the down when you see the big Ford out there?